For years I have made Christmas ornaments for the Christmas tree. However, our tree is full, so this year I'm making a ornament that can be a decoration on the countertop. Hope you enjoyed the video. The trees are done, and now I need to make a base. This is a nice quick project. So far, very pleased with these. You know, the bandsaw didn't leave very nice edges. They need to be sanded. So, the easiest way to sand this area here is my oscillating spindle sander. Same thing with here. And then the easiest way to sand this edge here is going to be my disc sander. And then my 1-inch wide belt sander will do these inside edges there. So we're going to break into just about all my sanding equipment, and I probably am not going to record it because nobody wants to watch sanding, and we all know how it works. So my disc sander, I'm going to do this with it, and then I'll probably flatten the bottom. That's it for the disc sander. My 1-inch belt sander, it's gonna do all these inside edges like this, like that, and this. And then my oscillating spindle sander, I'm going to put a spindle disc on there, but then I'm going to do that inside like that, and then I'll hit this like this. I might do these faces on the disc sander as well. Just hit it like that. Just be careful the fact that, you know, we're spinning like this, and I'll be using up the whole space. So and then do this side too. And then to soften the edges, I will just use hand sandpaper. I have completed the sanding. Everything's nice and smooth and beautiful. I used sponge sanders for the edges, and now it's ready to assemble these bases. Now, one of the things is I want to get at least a little semblance of centerness on this when I put the bottoms on. What I have done is I made a quick little jig where I can align it on either side. And then once I have it aligned, I'm going to eyeball this direction here, but I'm going to use that jig to get it that way. I will start gluing up. Okay, ready for some finish. I'm going to use this polyurethane spray finish in a rattle can, and I'm going to put a couple coats on it, and here we go. This is always the moment of wonder, because when the finish is on, that's just shows how beautiful the unit's going to be. Put these at an angle. That way I can get either side. There we go. All right, let that set for 15 minutes and put on a second coat. Now comes the hard part. I have some galvanized wire, and I'm going to try to install these orbs like that, and we'll see how that goes. I have no idea how this is going to work, so we'll just do a little extra wire. So Okay, wherever that went, we will try it again. Get a little bit of wire. Throw the ball on the ground. Luckily these bulbs are plastic. Feed that through here. Feed that through here. Actually, you want to feed it like this. You know what? I wonder if we can just do this. This wire is stiff enough. You can just double feed it in. Look at that. Nice. Now do that 4 more times. Okay, the ornaments are done, and this is my attempt at something that I thought was very nice, but I guess these can go to Goodwill or any other thrift store.
I don't think so.
What? I thought you didn't want any more wood in this house.
I think you were wrong.
Alright. Good. Finally, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10. Good job.
It is amazing that something so simple ends up looking that good. Great job.